Okay, let's go to the next hands-on session. Now I have these temple names from text material. I'm curious if they appear on the maps or other visual materials that are available in local guest tiers. So first, I will collect all city maps that contain of these temple names from Qing and Republican guest tiers. Then I will examine different time periods and geospatial distribution. Finally, from previous results, I will examine the similarities and differences in the illustrations from each time period or region. Okay, let's go to the P.W.I module. P.W.I stands for page with illustration or page with image. The P.W.I module provides two data viewer, table and carousel. You can easily jump over these two viewers by clicking the switch button. In the carousel viewer, you can scroll over images to view them easily and smoothly, but all metadata is hidden. You have to hover over a different circle button to see metadata. And data table viewer presents metadata of the images in a table form, but sometimes it's difficult to tell if an image is part of a pair or series. If data table alignment is messy, you can click expand button on the top right corner to fix it. You can collect images by clicking the start button, no matter in data table or carousel viewer. You can also do it in the batch mode. If you select multiple images, you can click batch action, collect, or discard. And you can fetch out all collected images by my collection group. Besides search image by keywords, you can search images by tags. For example, I choose a city map tag and do a search. Sorry, I forgot to switch back to all images. Then I can get all images that are tagged as the city map. If you're curious about how many tags exist, please click the Tag Management button to take a look. Then how do we tag images? There are two methods to tag images. First method is one by one. Please click View Original Scan Image button first. Then click the Label button. You can you can type any words you want or choose default text from the list. Another method is tagging images in a batch mode. If you click choose multiple images, then you can click batch action tag. All tags are public, which means every user can use the tags that you have created and search the images that you have tagged. Because we hope that we as a member of community can help each other. Besides tagging, you can make your own note about any image and no one can see it. So you can treat it as a private tag. I will demonstrate how to make a note later. Back to my research topic. From page text module, I have collect some temple names. I'm gonna load it directly because I have saved them. there are 40 pages containing these keywords during Qing and Republican. Let's plot on the map first. Okay, I think later probably I can compare north versus south or coastal versus interior. Let's also take a look in statistic view. Besides those basic dimensions, there is a spatial dimension for P.W.I tab. In addition to LG map, there is another mapping tool, CHmap. CHmap presents illustration on the map directly, and you can add a spatial layer. Here we have a land survey map. With this layer, we can observe the difference between the ancient maps and modern scaled maps. For example, I click Jiangsu and zoom in this area. And try to makes my this map. Then I can do some observation. You can check the how-to feature to know other functionality of CHmap. In my research, I want to mark temple's location on the map. No, sorry, I should say I want to make some notes about the location of the temple. And there are two methods to make a note. First method is a 1 by 1. I'm gonna switch to a table viewer first because I can easily know which keyword is matched. And I'm gonna try this one. And from the highlight, I know I have to find out the bar chart on the map. Zoom in. I can rotate the image. And I found it. It's here. Then I expand the node input area. And I want to put the西南 城外 because here is Zhibei and here is Chengnan. So I think Baja is on the, is at the southwest and it's outside of the city. And by the way, you can click global button to link to Harvard Yanjing Library to see high resolution images if you need it. Another method is making notes in a batch mode. If you select multiple images, you can click batch action node. I can also search images by node filter. It also supports the spatial simple syntax plus and minus. Now I'm gonna search 城外. Here's two. Okay. And the show my nodes can let me know how many nodes I ever made. And that's all. I'm gonna stop here, let you play around the P.W.I module.